took a girl on a date for only 3 cents.
3 cents? That's stupid, Grandpa.
It's not stupid, Austin. It's inflation.
You did the voice for 4 seconds and you already broke character?
I contain multitudes.
Okay, guys, here's the actual challenge. 1906, $5. 2026, $150. You guys are both gonna take a girl on a date and see whose plans are better.
We'll see about that, grandson.
Let's find out. The rules are simple. Plan the whole night, the drive, the outing, everything.
Step 1, I slide into her DMs. Hey, you up?
Step 1, I send a letter, and then a pigeon after that, just in case the letter gets lost.
You paid a pigeon?
In breadcrumbs. I'm diversifying my risk. Then I walk to the house, knock on the front door, hand her father some flowers, and then ask him for permission to court his daughter.
You asked her dad?
It's called respect.
It's called terrifying.
Flowers, 25 cents. DM, free. Moving on.
Transportation? I call an Uber. Round trip, $36.
I take the trolley, 20 cents for 2.
We haven't even started the date yet, and I've already spent all his life savings.
Precisely.
Where are you even taking them?
Dinner and a movie, obviously.
Same, except my show is a Nickelodeon showing a man trying to sneeze for 45 seconds. That's the whole film. That's literally it. That's the whole plot.
That's not a movie, that's a medical video.
It was groundbreaking cinema.
We had dinner, 2 entrees, an appetizer, and drinks. It was $88 with a tip.
2-course dinner for 2, and it came out to 30 cents.
30 cents? I could have bought the whole restaurant.
Anything after dinner?
I already ran out of money. Nothing. So I just went home after dinner.
I take her to the state fair ring toss, and I win her a slightly alarming taxidermy bird.
A what?
Then 2 ice cream cones, 1 for me and 1 for her. 2 cents in total.
Getting her home in an Uber, $18. She gets home and we're done.
I get her home, horse and carriage. Father's on the porch and he has a pocket watch out. And I'm late, 1 minute past 7.
1 minute?
He's already measuring me for a wedding suit.
I'm $22 over budget.
I have $2.80 left over.
I got her a burger. You could have bought her an entire cow.
$5 in 1906 just outdid $150 today. That's not a trick. That's inflation. Here's the serious part. What you just watched has a name. Inflation isn't your money vanishing. It's the things you buy quietly getting more expensive while your money stays the same. Same dollar bill, smaller slice of pizza every single year.
That's why Bessie's 30 cents in a burger is $80 now.
Okay, but who's doing this? Who's shrinking my money?
Okay, but nobody's doing this to you specifically. It happens when there's more money moving through the economy than things to buy it with. Prices just creep up to match.
That sounds made up.
It's about to sound very real. And you don't need to go back to 1906 to see it. Look at just the years we've been alive. Since 2008, ground beef has gone up 184%. College tuition? Up 81. A new car? Up 76. Movie tickets? Up 50. And overall prices on average? They're up 54%.
So it's not just old people's money getting weak. It's happening to my money right now.
Every year you don't account for it? Yes.
Okay, the system's rigged.
It's not rigged, it's math. Rigged? You can't fix. Math? You can plan around.
Hang on, if prices going up is bad, wouldn't prices going down be good? Just let stuff get cheaper.
You'd think, wouldn't you? But that's actually a thing called deflation, and it's worse.
No way.
If you knew your car would be drastically cheaper next month, would you buy it today?
No, I'd wait.
Now do that with everything at the same time, across the whole country. Nobody buys anything. Businesses stop making money and people get laid off. That's a big thing that happened in 2008. Prices and home values crashed so fast that it took the whole economy down with it.
So a little inflation is actually the safe setting?
Right around 2% a year is considered healthy. It keeps things moving without wrecking your paycheck. Speaking of, do you guys want to know how fast your money actually loses ground? There's a shortcut. It's this thing called the rule of 72. If you take 72 and divide it by the inflation rate, that's how fast it takes for prices to double.
Give me the numbers.
Say inflation is running at 3%. 72 divided by 3 is 24. In 24 years, prices double, which is exactly how a $4 burger becomes an $8 burger, and then eventually
A $44 burger.
here's the number that should actually worry you guys. If you guys save $10,000 and just leave it, bank account, mattress, it doesn't matter. It earns basically nothing.
Safe, smart, responsible.
At 3% inflation, using our rule, in 24 years, that $10,000 still says $10,000 on the statement, but it only buys what $5,000 buys today.
I lost $5,000 by doing nothing?
You didn't lose it. It's still there. It just stopped being worth as much because it just sat there doing nothing while everything else around it got more expensive.
So safe isn't actually safe?
Safe is a myth. It can't outrun 3% a year. It's not a reason to panic. That's the reason why people actually invest. It's not a way to get rich, it's just a way to not lose.
I am not leaving my birthday money in my sock drawer anymore.
So, 3 things. 1, inflation is the reason $5 used to cover a whole entire day and now doesn't even cover the Uber. 2, a little inflation is healthy, but its evil twin, deflation, can absolutely destroy the economy. 3, the rule of 72 tells you exactly how fast your money is losing the race, so you know exactly what you're up against.
Okay, I'm gonna go invest my $2.80, and I'm gonna be a millionaire by 2026.
Yeah, but your date will still be 120 years old.
You did not see her. She was a catch. And women like men with money.
We're triple the money, and I finally understand why Grandpa said Coke is a nickel.